guys, right, we're in a restaurant called Feliciana, and it's on Dover Street, just off Magsaysay side.
It's near
where you go and pay your water bill.
Yeah.
Right? And we're here because of these two lovely people.
Hello.
Now we've got Dwayne and Alice. Dwayne's from the US. You may remember him on another video when we went to the Mexican, what was it?
Papa Mexican.
The
Mexican.
Papa's Mexican,
Thank you.
genuine, whatever. And we showed them about for a few hours in the day, and they were that grateful. They wanted to take us for a meal. So we're here, and they recommend this place because they've been here, I think this is about the 6th, 7th time maybe they've been here.
Yeah, they like the foods.
And it's got a nice atmosphere. They're not open all day. What's the opening time?
I think it's 11 to 2 p.m. and 5 till
5 till 8.
8.
Right,
Yes.
okay. So, the questions everybody's going to want to ask, so I've got to ask them. How did you two lovebirds meet?
Go ahead.
How did we meet? We met at Date in Asia. We met in Date in Asia.
Dating Asia.
Date in Asia, an online dating site.
And what year was that? Month,
29
day, time, hour. I want everything.
February 16, 2019.
Oh, wow. There you go. So, Dwayne came here. How many times?
This is my 5th trip here.
Your 5th trip?
Yes.
Cool. And each trip, how long have you stayed? Has it varied?
It's varied from 2 weeks to up to a month. This time it's 2 months.
2 months.
Yes.
And you're staying here for the Peña Francia, aren't you? You're not
Yes,
going to
yes.
Until October.
I'll be going
That's
back,
cool.
yeah, in October.
So, from you first speaking online, how long did it take before you come to see Alice?
3 months.
3 months?
Yes.
My God. Hey?
Well, once we met online,
Eager beaver.
we got to a point where I just knew, look, I've got to go check this out in person to see if it's real.
That's cool. And there's been a lot of visits, as you can see, guys. Now, I've asked you this before, what's your plan? You're not really, at least in the foreseeable future, thinking of having a house here or building anything or anything like that at the moment?
No, we're not. My plan is I've got a good, stable, comfortable place in the U.S. I'd like to continue living there, visit the Philippines on at least an annual basis, if not more frequent.
Because Alice has got a son anyway, still in school.
Still in school.
So that dictates a lot of what you can do.
You know, our plan right now, we've applied for the fiance visa, and I expect that paperwork to take a year or so, and then we'll go from there once we get that complete.
So your plans when you go home in October is what?
I'll be in the U.S. from October, November, December, then be back here in January of 2023.
Okay. Now, you mentioned you've got a nice, comfortable house in the U.S. Do you have a swimming pool?
No swimming pool, but I've got a beautiful lake with a boat.
Oh, you've got a boat. How big's your boat?
That's 25 foot.
25 foot? Right,
Yes.
okay. I'm just trying to get an idea if I come to visit. No, only joking. So, listen guys, I mean, how Dwayne has done it with Alice is one of the better ways. You know, they've took the time, they've known each other for a long time. He's visited many times. I really feel that you should do similar, if not more, before you. Yeah, no need to rush, guys. Before you commit, I'll just make it clear now that I'm hoping Dwayne's going to pay for plane tickets to get over to the wedding in the US.
Of course.
Because I think it's only fair. I'm only joking, guys. I'm only joking. So anyway, we wish them both the best.
Yeah, thank
We
you.
hope everything goes well. Many blessings from the heart, from both of us. You see, we've met quite a few foreigners, guys, with the Filipino fiancés maybe to be, and it's not all been great. But I can honestly say, hand on my heart, when we met Dwayne and Alice, we could see that it was going to be a disaster. Now I'm going to put that. Now I'm going to edit that out. Sorry, I'm just messing. We could. Sorry. When we met Dwayne and Alice, we could see it was a good combination. They're a good couple. We can see they're close. I think I don't like talking love, but I think they're going to be very, very, very best friends. They might disagree with me and say, no, we're both in love. That's good. But if the best you can get at our time of life is the bestest friend you've ever had, that you can't see a future without, I think, what more do you need?
That's all you can ask for.
To Alice, I see Alice that Dwayne look after him.
Yes, I've noticed that.
Yeah, I noticed as
I
well.
watch.
Yeah.
I observe.
Yeah, I observe. Yeah.
Oh my God, that's disgusting. Cut! I'm only joking, guys. They're lovely. No, they're lovely.
Yeah.
It's not, you can see when it's put on and it's not. It really isn't. I mean, luckily I've only met really one couple that I just saw a disaster going to happen.
Yeah. But
Only one. You know which one I mean,
yeah.
don't you?
The two of them, I seem to Alice that Dwayne look after.
Yeah.
Always wiping.
Yeah, yeah. That's what you used to do when I first met you, isn't it, Mel? But guys, she doesn't do it anymore. As soon as we got married, no, she does it a bit.
Here, oh.
That's it. Anyway, guys, yeah, we're really lovey-dovey, just like Dwayne and Alice. Although probably not as intense anymore. You know, once the slippers come on, it'll all wear off. So anyway, Mal. Come on.
Can you close your eyes, please?
Oh my God, you see, guys? Still there, I've still got it. Right. Say hello, what's your name?
Hello, my name is Jonah.
Jonah.
Remove your mask, Jonah.
Hello, I'm Erica.
Look at Erica. Take your mask down, Erica. Look how beautiful Erica is, eh? She's gorgeous. All right. So that's the staff, guys. So if you come here, look. I'm serious. This place is amazing. The food is amazing. The staff are great. The owner actually cooks the food. She's the chef. And you'll see her on the thumbnail. If you come to Naga, you have to come here. I've been in Naga 7 years and I've never tasted food like this. So
So we recommend this, guys.
yeah, the owner was trained in Japan. So, and you can tell how the food is set out. It is absolutely amazing, guys. So please, if we get asked to go for a meal, this is where we're going to bring them, honestly. So what's it called again, babe?
Feliciana.
Feliciana.
Yeah.
Right. Feliciana, it's on what street?
Dover Street.
Dover Street. And
There in the...
it's near where you go and pay your water bill,
Yeah.
right? Just off Magsaysay side. So it's a must visit. This is, guys. We're not getting anything for promoting this place, nothing whatsoever. Please give it a visit, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. Okay then, guys, that's the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've it's made brighten your day up just a little bit. So it's goodbye from Dwayne and Alice, and it's goodbye from Mal.
Bye.
Over to you, Mal.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye, guys. See you on the next video.
Bye, guys. Don't forget to hit
Show
that
the foods.
notification and bell. Oh, here we go. That's nachos, guys. Nachos. What's this one?
Mixed green salad.
Mixed green salad.
Chef salad.
chef's salad. There you go. That's not it though. There's something else.
There's
in
another
Oh, we've got
salad.
several.
Oh, we've got more food, guys. We've got more food. Yeah. So Mel will be taking pictures of the food. It's
I did already.
Oh, you've done already, right? It's a Filipino thing, guys. Next time.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze.